Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of analog photography with the Lomography Lomomatic 110 camera. This little gem promises a throwback to simpler times with its point-and-shoot simplicity and retro design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype in 2024. Starting with the design, the Lomomatic 110 immediately stands out with its compact size and vibrant colors. Whether you opt for the retro bright orange or the more subdued silver version, it's sure to catch some eyes. The camera's small form factor makes it incredibly portable, easily fitting into a pocket or small bag. It's reminiscent of those pocketable 110 cameras from the 1980s, but with a modern twist. Using the Lomomatic 110 is a breeze. Loading film is straightforward, just pop open the back, insert the 110 cartridge, and you're ready to shoot. There's no automatic film winding. Instead, you manually extend and close the camera to advance to the next frame. It's a bit of a throwback in itself, encouraging a slower, more deliberate approach to photography. The controls are minimalistic, which is refreshing. You have a simple shutter button, a mode selector for day or night shots, and a focus dial with preset distances. Adjusting settings is quick and intuitive, perfect for beginners or anyone who prefers a no-fuss shooting experience. Now, let's talk performance and image quality. Since this is a film camera, image quality largely depends on the film stock you use. The 110 film format, however, does have its limitations. With a tiny frame size compared to 35mm, don't expect ultra-high resolution or fine details. It's more about capturing that vintage, lo-fi aesthetic that's popular today. The 23mm lens offers a natural field of view similar to a 40mm lens on a full-frame camera, making it versatile for everyday snapshots. Keep in mind, though, that the film's small size can magnify imperfections like dust and scratches, which might require some post-processing if you're scanning images for digital use. In terms of user experience, the Lomomatic 110 shines for those who enjoy the process of shooting film. It slows you down, encourages thoughtful composition, and adds an element of surprise when you finally see your developed prints. It's great for capturing candid moments, travel snapshots, or experimenting with creative effects using the flash and color filters. However, it's not without its drawbacks. 110 film can be pricey per exposure, and processing costs add up quickly. If you're used to the convenience and instant gratification of digital photography, this might not be the best fit for your needs. Also, if you prioritize high image quality and sharpness, larger film formats like 35mm would be more suitable. To wrap it up, the Lomography Lomomatic 110 camera is a charming throwback to simpler times, offering a fun and nostalgic experience for film enthusiasts. It's easy to use, compact, and delivers that distinct analog look that's so sought after today. Just be prepared for the costs associated with 110 film and processing. That's it for today's review. If you've used the Lomomatic 110, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.